Hey, this is Drone Pilot Jerry coming back at you once again. I want to share something with all my military veterans out there. I'm actually traveling. I'm at the Tucson airport. It's a very clean airport. They have a military lounge, which is pretty cool. If you can, I would advise everybody to go visit it, check it out. So the military lounge is near the baggage claim. It's made for active, retired, and also veterans. It's pretty cool, and I'm going to give you a little tour of it before I take off and fly. Zoom in a little bit so you can see. As you can see, it says the Tucson Airport Authority maintains this lounge for traveling military, active duty, veterans, retired. So, you know, they have the number here that you can call and check. As you can see, they have a big screen TV. They have like theater seats right here that you can kick back until your flight is ready. They got a refrigerator back there in the back, and then you have the flight board, which is right here. So this is a very nice lounge. You also have coffee there. So I just want to give a shout out to the military, Go Army, and thank you very much for allowing us to be here. Really appreciate it very, very much. I'm with another drone pilot right here. We in Tucson, Arizona, doing our thing. He got the hat on, man. And what's your business name?
I'm up in LA, Tony's Drone Ops.
Tony's Drone Ops. I'll talk to you guys later. On to the next mission. Peace.
So let's fly!